Hello all, back at you again with Windows 8. I almost said Windows 98. That would have been neat, interesting, huh? So I'm at the login screen, and I know from seeing videos and stuff you were completely confused. By the way, this is about shutting down and restarting the computer. When I first saw this, actually I thought this was Toronto, and then I realized, oh yeah, can't be. That's not the CN Tower. Obviously, it's Seattle. Okay, so when I first saw this, other than that, I thought, well, something's up. They're showing me a nice screen, but there's not really much I can do. My first intuition was just to hit Enter, and then I found out if you press any key on the keyboard, this goes away. Second thing I thought would be to hit F1, but that's like pressing any key again. So anyway, let's just press Enter, okay, and you log in. Now, for some reason you decide you don't want to have a session with Windows 8 or whatever, you can go down to the bottom right, and there's your shutdown there, restart and sleep in this case. So we'll log in. Okay. Now, wait for this virtual machine to, there we go. If I press F1, oops, sorry, let's go to the desktop. This is, some of this is from the internet, so it's gonna, sometimes it takes a while to load. Okay, so, we're in help, right? That's, first of all, this is the best place to start, and, I'll close this again, and like I said, I pressed F1, or you can, I'll just leave it, press F1, and if you want to, we're curious about how to restart or shut down, so we'll just go and type in shut down, okay? First place to start with anything is the help menu in any software you're not sure. Now this is, according to the notes, this isn't quite finished, but first result, how do I shut down brackets, turn off my PC. Click that link. Okay, if you're using a mouse, I'm in the little part here, point to the upper right corner of the screen, move the mouse pointer down, and then click Settings. And then tap or click Power, and then tap or click Shutdown. I don't know why I keep saying tap, but okay, so let's go to the top. Where did it say top right corner? Oh! What's this? Okay. Settings. There it is. Power. Restart, shut down, sleep, or whatever you have your power settings to. Okay, so that's one way, thanks to the Microsoft help. Always read the help. If it's there, just read it, because it'll tell you so much. This has actually some interesting things already in it. So, that's one way. So it was, well, you can do the bottom too. Just because I'm being silly. Whoops. Shut down there. Okay. Another way is the old, I don't know how long this has been around for, but is the key combination Alt, ALT, and F4 on your keyboard. That brings up shutdown Windows. And the little drop down box, switch user, sign out, sleep, blah blah blah. Restart, of course, is always there. Another way that brings you the same thing is if you click the taskbar. Okay, don't open anything. Just click it once, and then Alt space quickly, and you click close. Same menu comes up. Where am I? And as we saw before in the start screen, you can lock the computer or sign out. Well, I'll do that again. So you sign out, and you get back to that screen, and just press Enter, and of course, down here at the bottom right is your restart, shutdown. Oops. So I'll just log back in. And another way to lock the computer, I can't show you this because it'll lock the main computer, is to hold down the Windows key again and L for lock, and that'll bring you back to where you saw the start screen, and then where you press enter and type in your password, etc. Okay, so one more way is the 3-finger salute, and that's Control-Alt-Delete. Now I can't do that, but fortunately, VMware Player gives me a nice little handy send Control-Alt-Delete. Hover over the tooltip, says send Control-Delete to the virtual machine. And you can lock, switch users, sign out, change password, or down the bottom right, again, is your shutdown and restart. So let's go to Task Manager. And there we go. Okay, you can just close that. So that's it, I think, out of the box. Basically, how you would shut down, restart Windows 8. It's not as obvious as other versions, but I guess I don't know what Microsoft is thinking or was thinking. Maybe they're just guessing that we're more sophisticated than we used to be with the click here to start animation, or the Clippy guy, or the Bob guy, or whatever, the animated characters to help you through. Maybe they just think that we're more advanced users and we don't need as many prompts as we used to. I don't know. That's a guess. A really wild guess. Okay, so without any third-party applications or registry tricks or command scripts or anything like that, out of the box, that's pretty much, I'm probably forgetting something, but that's pretty much the way to shut down, restart Windows 8 on a desktop PC computer. And any questions, comments, and stuff, feel free to add them. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.